Hello, this is Mike with Meritech, and I'm here today to show you how to replace diaphragms in a three-way valve in your CleanTech hand washing system. The function of a three-way valve is to direct water flow during the hand wash cycle, where one side opens directing water to the aspirator where soap is drawn into the system, while the other side opens directing water flow directly to the cylinders for rinsing. Diaphragms are a wear and tear item and can tear after thousands of cycles, or they can also swell, and in either case they can affect soap draw and water flow. Let's get started by reviewing what provisions we need for replacing diaphragms in a three-way valve. Before we start, let's discuss some of the symptoms that would result in needing to replace your three-way diaphragms. 1. No water flowing into the cylinders. 2. Little to no solution draw. The tools you'll need are a blue handle 3/8 inch nut driver, a yellow handle 5/16 nut driver, marker pen, and rags. 2 of each diaphragms. Turn the water off and run a cycle to ensure you have removed all excess water in the system. Unplug the hand washer. Remove the soap door, solution, and the top cover on the hand washing system. And locate the three-way valve mounted towards the front of the hand washer. Before we begin replacing the diaphragms, let me point out that the coil closest to the operator, or the front coil, is for the wash cycle or for drawing soap into the system, and the back coil is for the rinse cycle. And please note that the coil wires are labeled accordingly. To avoid accidentally replacing the wrong coil, take your marker and mark the wash coil. Now, with the 5/16 inch nut driver, remove the 2 screws holding the coils. While holding the valve over the rags, remove the last 3 screws that hold the metal bracket to the nylon valve body. I find it best to remove the 2 outer screws first and then the middle one last. Also, water will drain from the lines as soon as the diaphragm seal is broken. With the screws removed, we can now separate the metal bracket from the valve body, but we need to be careful because the valve plungers and springs will fall out when separating these 2 pieces. Remove the old diaphragms from the valve body. 1. Place the 2 plungers back into the metal housing and set it aside on the floor of the hand washer. 2. Place the 2 diaphragms in the nylon body of the three-way valve, taking care they are properly seated. They nest around the opening. 3. With the diaphragms in place, take the metal housing and plungers and place it over the diaphragms. 4. Now, starting with the center screw of the 3 mounting holes, lightly tighten it to just secure the metal housing to the nylon body of the valve. 5. Install the other 2 screws and then do a final tightening of the row of 3 screws. 6. Install the soap coil and tighten the screw. Reinstall the solutions divider plate and return the soap solution to the hand washer. Plug in your hand washing system. When the system kicks into the self-clean cycle, look to see if there are any water leaks around the valve. If no leaks are detected, run 3 hand wash cycles and observe that the solutions gauge is functioning properly and no leaks are present. Replace the top cover and soap door. This concludes how to replace the diaphragms in a three-way valve. If you have any questions, please contact us.